before this video starts, I just want to say thank you so much for 50 subs. I never thought we'd reach this goal, but thank you so much, guys. So yeah, enjoy today's video. Today we're gonna be making a 50 subscriber play button. So yeah, guys, yeah, let's get started on this. So for the materials, you're gonna need some Play-Doh, some candle wax, and something to mold it into a rectangle. I choose to use this block to mold it into a rectangle. So first off, what you want to do is remove the candle wax, the stick part of the candle wax. So you just take off the bottom sticker, pull this out. Now you have the candle wax ready. The next thing you want to do, you want to get the Play-Doh out. So this has some Play-Doh here, and you want to take this out and flatten it down like so, like this right here. Then use your rectangle mold to press it down. Here we go. And now another one. Okay. So you just want to flat it down so it's entirely flat, like so, right here. And here you go. Here's our play button mold. Let's just flatten it down a little more. It's not too bad. Okay, so we have our play button mold. So the next thing we want to do, we're gonna melt the candle wax in like a microwave, and then we're gonna dump the melted candle wax into here and let it dry out. So I'll see you guys after I'm done melting this. Okay guys, so we have our candle wax. Please be careful when I put it in the microwave. It became really hot. So here's our candle wax. If you don't see, here it is. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna have to carefully pour the candle wax into the mold. So yeah, let me just move this. We want to make sure nothing goes wrong. Make sure it doesn't spill out too. My table is tempered glass, so I don't want it like cracking or anything. So here we go. Have this. Okay, now next step, we want to carefully pour in the candle wax. So we have our candle wax. There is still a massive chunk of it in there, but okay, let's just pour in. And oh yeah, and please be careful. Please do this around the parent, and ask your parents' permission to do this too, because you don't want to get them mad. Oh shoot, we have some candle wax. We have a candle wax spill, guys. Let's just look up this candle wax. So we actually had more than we needed. Ooh. There's a lot of candle wax right here. Candle wax spill. We have a candle wax spill. Okay, we could get this off my table. It's fine. So let's just have this. Make sure it dries up. And yeah, so I'll see you guys after I clean up this massive mess and this thing dries. So next thing we want to do, we want to make a triangle to put on our candle wax play button. So we're just going to make a triangle. I'm going to use this to make it straight. It's going to make a triangle. And then you're going to want to cut out this triangle, of course. You could put it on your play button. So here's the triangle that we're going to cut out. So yeah, we're done cutting out our triangle. You want to write 50 subs, or how many ever subs you have. Well, I'm going to do 50 because this is a 50 sub play button. So I'm just going to write 50 on here, and then subs. Okay, here we go. Yes. So we have the 50 subs. Here we go, 50 subs. Okay guys, so you want to carefully take out your play button. I just did, but I forgot to hit record. Oops. Oh yeah, so the next thing you're gonna do after you're done taking it out, you wanna super glue this on to here. Remember, ask your parents for super glue, okay? You don't wanna take it and then you're just gonna glue your hands together. So yeah, let me just clean this mess real quick and let me get the super glue. Okay guys, so the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna glue on this piece of paper or some super glue to here. So let me just get some super glue. And let me just glue it on. Not this much. Be careful though, you don't want to put too much or else it leak out. Oh. Yeah, get some on my hands. Okay. So here we go. Now you just gotta let that dry and we'll go hang this up. Let's go hang this up. Here we go, guys. Thanks so much for 50 subs. I really do appreciate it. Hi guys. Wait, I'm sorry guys. Before this video ends, I just want to thank you so much again for 50 subs. I'm really happy about that. But I just want to give 2 shout outs to people that helped me reach this 50 sub goal. First one is Comdervids, and the next one is Doritos, guys. I'll put their channel names in the description down below. Bye guys.